Mitch, how was your blind date this weekend?
You know, you really have to see it to believe it. I caught it on my uCorder Pockito.
Pockito?
Yeah, it's like the original uCorder, except it's a lot smaller, it's got better resolution, and it's pretty hot. Anyway, I'll plug it in, let me show you. Hey there.
Oh, hi.
I'm Mitch.
Hi, Courtney.
Hey Courtney, I hope you don't mind. I brought this little pocket camcorder with me. It's called uCorder Pockito, and I'm going to record a little bits and pieces from our date. Is that all right with you?
Yeah.
She'll call, I think. Yeah, yeah, I'll be there for dinner at 6 o'clock. Yeah, got it.
To love, to catch the rain.